Welcome back to Living Large Camping. We've been busy finishing up the camper while enjoying quality time with family over Christmas. We hope you did as well and can't wait to see what this new year brings us. Here's an update on the finishing projects in the camper, and we finally take you camping with us on 2 different lake spots. Stay tuned to see why we had to leave the first campground, and we hope you enjoy the first video of 2023.
Well, good morning, guys. It's pretty cold here, and we're just finishing up some projects.
We are currently working on getting the bed area ready to put the mattress in. We've got reflectors on the bottom, and then we have a breathable pad that will go on top, and then we'll get the mattress on that. So just another big step in terms of getting this camper ready to hit the road again, and we are so ready and excited for that.
Here we go. So here is the bed area. Just wanted to show you guys a little close-up. Connor is stapling the carpet and the Reflectix down so they don't move. We're gonna put more Reflectix under here, and then a breathable mattress pad, and then the mattress. Woohoo!
Here's a closer look at the system we have to keep the mattress aired out. This side goes down, and then they just snap together like tile pieces. So we'll put those, and we'll go all the way down with it. And there it is, the complete mattress system is finished. I had to cut these last pieces a little bit just so they wouldn't hang off the edge of the bed, but now I think it's time to try and get the mattress back in here.
Woo!
Oh yeah. That's all there.
I'm gonna just push.
Cool. That's it there.
It was easier because when we first strapped it,
Yeah.
it kind of still has a little U. We think a spring might have broken out, so.
We'll see how comfortable it is.
This time it was easier because we could fold it ourselves, but I don't know if that's a good thing.
Nothing's stabbing me, so that's a good sign.
We think we heard the loose spring like down here, so that's the best case scenario, honestly. Should we put the bedding on?
Sure, let's do it.
All right, guys, here's the bed for the most part. This is our bedding. We went with a nice gray, super cute tassels, little tan blanket, of course, Barky. And then, yeah, it's looking good. Another project we are going to tackle is the dinette table. This is the old one. As you can see, it's kind of a light tan texture. Then we bought this piece of nice wood to fit, but because we got brown shades and then our cushion covers are also tan, we're thinking it's a lot of tan beige going on. So we're thinking, since we're already gonna maybe throw this one away, we're gonna sand this down and prime it and paint it white and see if we think that'll brighten up the space a little bit. So let's do that. All right, primer coat number 1. Coat number 1 of the primer is on. We think we're gonna like the white. Stay tuned for a few more coats, and then we'll just put it in there and see what we think.
Hey everybody, it is such an exciting day here because we are finally loading our truck camper on its renovated maiden voyage.
Yay, we're so excited. We're happy to hit the road finally, and we can't wait to show you guys where we end up.
It's a little windy here, so loading the camper in the wind is never very fun, but let's get it jacked up and on the truck.
Yay! Oh, we were going this way. You ever wonder if this is a workout? she is, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's get it down on.
Yay! Even though we still have some small final details happening in the camper, this putting it on feels like the final touch almost. We're so excited to finally get it on the road, see where 2023 has in store for us, and yeah, all the good stuff.
There it is, the camper is all loaded, and now it's time for us to pack the inside, clean everything up, and then we will see you guys in the morning.
See you in the morning, guys.
I feel like I've been here before.
Morning.
With the view.
Hey guys, so we pulled into Lake Whitney State Park yesterday. It's a very beautiful lake, and the spots are nice. We're pretty private over here. There's a gorgeous lake view. But we are both allergic to cedar trees, and the pollen in the air is driving our allergies crazy. So we considered staying 2 nights, but I think we're gonna go back towards Dallas tonight and stay one more night at a lake over there. We still have a couple projects that we need to get finished on the truck camper and the back seat of the truck as well. So we're going to be taking the camper off and doing some projects, but we wanted to get a video out and come test out the camper and make sure that everything works inside. And yeah, so we're going to head back towards Dallas. We'll see you at a lake there, but this spot is beautiful. We just can't handle it right now.
We haven't bought a whole box of tissues. That's how much we are sneezing and blowing our nose here. So, new spot soon. We'll see you guys there. Okay, well, it's only appropriate, even though we've been here for 24 hours, to give you guys your first review of 2023. Let's go check them out.
And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old side, blinded by the lights, and I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so
Oh, wow. This one's huge. Pretty nice. So we just did a little walkthrough. There's about 2 sinks, 3 bathrooms, and 2 showers, one which is pretty big. Honestly, it's pretty clean in here, but they have soap, hand dryers a little weak, lots of toilet paper, and not the thin kind. So for 2023, for the first bathroom review, I'd give this one probably 7.5 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if that was a pretty fair review.
Even though we were only here for 24 hours, we wanted to show an overview of the campground at Lake Whitney. 10,000 miles on the truck. It's been awesome. We've had no issues. About to get second oil change, and yeah, just ready to be at our camp spot.
We got this truck when there was 16 miles on it, and to think that we're at 10,000 is mind-blowing. But very excited for more in 2023. Into spot number 2. Another night.
It's been a while since I've done that.
Did y'all miss it?
So we found our spot for the night. We got the last lake spot available, but I am already feeling night and day difference in the weather here. So the sneezing's gone, the eyes aren't as itchy.
No more stuffy nose. I can breathe, which is huge.
So yeah, we're gonna go finish walking the camp loop.
Yeah, and then hang out and enjoy the sunshine. All right, we figured since we're camping, show you guys what it looks like, about 90% finished. Cushions, our new blinds, bathroom door, which I love, kitchen, our blue accent, and the bed. Please disregard these. They are just carpet that we had to put over, so we had privacy for this little trip. But yeah. We worked really hard doing all of this. We still can't wait to show you guys a tour. But for now, we just wanted to show you what 90% looks like. So,
Loving it so far. Want some wine while you work?
yes, please.
They're plastic.
They're plastic! Look how nice these are. Thanks to Connor's mom. Cheers.
Just happy to be back in the camper.
Cheers to 2023. And for dinner,
Chick-fil-A salads. We only had enough time to come camping for 2 days, and we didn't turn the fridge on until last night when we got to camp. So we didn't want to fill with groceries that we weren't going to use, and we passed them on the way here. So Chick-fil-A salads it is.
and honestly, come on. Who says no to a yummy, spicy Southwest salad from Chick-fil-A? Fine dining.
We're still getting used to having the height of the camper again, apparently.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure about the spacing still.
We've had a nice, relaxing evening here at the lake. It feels so good to be back in the camper, but we are exhausted. We had to drive 2.5 hours today, and we were just still kind of recovering from the cedar allergies that we've had the last couple of days. But we will see you guys in the morning for coffee.
See you guys in the morning. Good night. Man is made.
Well, we just watched the camp loop, and the sun feels great, but it's a little windy and cold outside. So now we're gonna eat some breakfast and then slowly pack up the camper. Yeah, it's been a nice morning here.
Well, guys, we hope you enjoyed our first few nights back in the camper. We are so excited to give you guys a full tour of everything that we've done and all the items that we found. Let us know, and if you guys have any specific questions or you want to just know more info, leave them in the comments below.
Yeah, we are so excited to be back full-time in our truck camper. We have a couple more projects to finish up that we're going back home to do right now before we hit the road full-time, but we are so excited for it. If you're new here, we would love it if you go ahead and subscribe. We have a ton of stuff planned for 2023, a full 12 months of videos, and I just can't wait to share all of that with you. So hope you enjoyed these videos, and as always, hope you have a large day.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.